are now multi-millionaires. Palampakan naman natin. So, 2 days ago, nagkausap kami nung mag-asawa and I was invited to their office. Now, we decided to partner with them. Now, ito na yung good news. Lahat ng members ng Success Community, we will now accredit you as a real estate agents or property providers. You can now have the opportunity to become a seller and also as a referrer. Sabi nga referrer? Ng lahat ng major real estate developers ng buong Mindanao. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, mag-refer kayo ng buyer, automatic, bibigyan namin kayo ng komisyon pag na-close yung sale. Good or very good? Now, mahirap siya maisip dahil wala pa kayong idea sa real estate. But ang gagawin natin, lahat ng members ng Success Community, meron tayong schedule ng accreditation and real estate training. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng libre sales training on real estate. Sino gusto matuto magbenta ng real estate? Ang kitaan dito, million. Alright? Gusto nyo ng mabilisan na hindi scam? Ito yung pinakamabilis. So today, andito yung dalawang estudyante ko. Alright? So si Mrs. and Mr. Fernand Maturan, they became millionaires. And then, yung mga agents nila, pina-enroll nila sa seminar ko. Now, I would like to introduce you to two of my students. Na nandito ngayon to share with you the benefits of this partnership and ano yung nangyari sa kanila after nila mag-attend ng seminar ko. Palakpakan naman natin si Mr. and Mrs.